Hey everyone! Wondering where your IRS tax refund is? Let me show you exactly how to check your refund status directly on the official IRS website. It's super easy. First, open your browser and go to irs.gov/where's my refund. I'll also drop the link in the description so you can click it right away. Once the page loads, you'll see a few things you need to get started. Make sure you have your Social Security number or ITIN, your filing status, and your exact refund amount, the same number shown on your tax return. Now click the big Check Your Refund button. From here, enter your information, your Social Security number or ITIN, select the tax year you're checking, choose your filing status, and type in your refund amount exactly as it appears on your return. Once that's done, click Submit, and you'll instantly see the status of your refund, whether it's being processed, approved, or on the way. Keep in mind, if you just filed, wait at least 24 hours before checking for the current tax year. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick how-to guides, and see you in the next one.